Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be looking at a Lexmark X264 printer. We're going to be showing you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you've ever noticed that whenever you send a print job to the printer from your computer, and everything comes out just fine, but as soon as you go to make a copy or a scan of that same document, then all of a sudden you're starting to get blemishes or defects on the page, anything like that. It's going to mean there's something dirty on your scanner glass. So depending on where you're using, or where you're scanning or copying from rather, whether you're using the document feeder on the top of the printer, or you're using just the flatbed scanner, is going to depend on what piece of glass you want to focus on the most. Most of the time we've noticed most of our issues on this printer is going to be when we're using our document feeder. That means on this little strip of glass on the left side of the printer is where all those documents are getting scanned or copied. So we really want to focus on this piece of glass on the left side of the printer. If you notice it when you're using the flatbed scanner, then you can just kind of wipe that off, make sure everything looks clean, and it'll work just as well. So you're going to want to use a lint-free cloth and your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have glass cleaner, rubbing alcohol also works. And you're going to apply the cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply the cleaner directly to the glass. If it seeps underneath the glass, it can create a lot of problems. So you always want to make sure the cleaner always goes on the cloth, and then you clean the glass with that. So we're going to focus, like I said, on this little strip of glass on the left side of the printer. And we're just going to clean it really well, making sure that if there's any ink or whiteout or tape, any kind of adhesive, that it's all coming off. Once everything looks good and you're happy with the way it looks, we'll leave it alone. While we're here, we'll go ahead and clean that flatbed scanner. Just because we're here, it only takes a few seconds. You can kind of look at everything afterwards. Make sure you don't see anything that's physically still there. Once you're happy with the way it looks, I'd go and close it back down. And then wherever you're having defects before, I would try it again and run some test pages through it. If all the defects or problems will go away, then you know you took care of it and it'll be back up and printing.